Hello everyone, welcome to the Magic Whisk kitchen. I am Athina and today I'm going to be doing a video tutorial on a very luxurious honey, yogurt and cinnamon baked cheesecake. As everyone is struggling right now to find ingredients like flour, I thought I will be doing a dessert using simple ingredients that are still easy to find. At the end of this video, I will also be sharing some tips with you to get the best results. If you do have any questions, please leave a comment or message me privately. Well, that's it from me. Stay safe and have a sweet day. First, place your ginger nut biscuits in a blender until you achieve a fine powder. If you don't have an electric blender, don't worry. Simply place your ginger nut biscuits in a freezer bag, seal and crush until you achieve a fine powder. After, place your melted butter in your bowl and mix thoroughly till combined. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt. Spray or brush with oil a 25 cm cake tin and place a round piece of parchment paper on top of it to prevent your base from sticking. Now transfer the biscuit mix to the cake tin and back down carefully to cover the base. Place in the fridge for 20 minutes or until it's set. In a large bowl, beat together cream cheese, sugar, corn flour and cinnamon. When you achieve that, add the eggs, yogurt, and mix to combine. When your mix is nice and smooth, add your honey. If your honey is too thick like mine, place it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Last, add your drained sultanas, mixing well to combine. Tip the cheese mixture into the cake tin and spread to cover the base. Next, wrap the underside of the cake tin with foil. Place your cake tin in the middle of a large, deep roasting tray. Pour hot water into the tray until it reaches halfway up the side of your cake tin. Then carefully place it in a 140-degree oven for approximately 40 to 45 minutes. For the topping, scrape down the vanilla seeds out of one vanilla pod. Don't worry if you don't have one, you can use 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence instead. Place your vanilla seeds in the bowl, together with your yogurt and water, and mix to combine. After 40 minutes or until just set, remove the cheesecake from the oven. Now thinly spread the yogurt topping over the surface. This time put the temperature up to 160 degrees and cook for a further 10 minutes or until just set. Don't forget to top up your tray with hot water. When the cheesecake is just set, take it out of the oven and chill in the fridge overnight. Now that the cheesecake is cold, we're gonna slice it and serve it. To start, take a hot knife and cut your cheesecake in quarters. Then cut each quarter into half, that way you will have 8 equal pieces. And now it's all sliced, we're gonna serve one to see how it is inside. Oh, just look at it. So yummy! It is creamy, it is crunchy, oh, so delicious. You can serve your cheesecake with a hot cup of coffee or tea. And hey, don't forget to stick around for the tips to help you get the best cheesecake you can. Tip number 1 is get creative with your cheesecake. I use ginger nuts for my base, but you could use any biscuit you like or have in your pantry. How about using oat biscuits, plain digestives, or even chocolate ones? How about using gluten-free biscuits to make your cheesecake gluten-free? Only thing I would say is try to avoid switching your yogurt or your cream cheese for the light version, as these alternatives have a higher water content, resulting in a less creamy and rich finish. Remember, this is an indulgence, nothing should be light about it. So tip number 2 is be patient. Cheesecake when baked low and slow is truly a thing of beauty. Saying that, a lot of amateur bakers try to rush and put the temperature right up, resulting in your eggs to scramble and your cheesecake resembling more of a frittata. So pour yourself a glass of wine or a cup of coffee like I have, and let the oven do the magic.